These logs are then cut into required sizes. The thick skin around the block is then removed by using a debarking machine. To ensure uniformly thick and smooth veneers, the blocks are then peeled off using a state-of-the-art spindle-less peeling machine. The veneers are cut into 8 feet by 2 feet for panels and 4 feet by 2 feet for cores and sent to the tenderizer machine, which makes the veneers more flexible and stress-free. The tenderized veneers are then passed through a mechanical dryer under controlled temperature for uniform drying. The veneers are conditioned for 24 hours to retain 6 to 8% of moisture. All layers of veneers are composed to 8 feet by 4 feet sizes with the help of a core composer machine to avoid overlapping and core gap problems. The composed core veneers are then sent to the assembly section and are passed through a sophisticated 8 feet glue spreader machine. To ensure greater penetration of resin for a stronger bond, the veneers are pre-pressed under fixed pressure for a certain period of time. The face veneers are not overlaid in this step. The stacks of the pre-pressed plywood are then taken to the hot press section for curing under controlled pressure and temperature. It's time to rough cut the plywood. The boards are cut to perfection to give them a precise rectangular shape. After rough cutting, the plywood boards pass through a calibrator machine to achieve uniform and smooth finish. Then the plywood boards are conditioned again. Next step is glue spreading. The boards pass through an 8 feet glue spreader to add the face veneers to them. Now it's time to give the plywood boards the Quadra Pro edge. To ensure better bonding, the plywood boards are pressed 4 times. The plywood boards are pre-pressed under controlled pressure. Then they are hot pressed in the hot press machine, which is equipped with proper cushioning mechanism under controlled temperature to retain the right amount of moisture and to ensure proper flattening of the plywood. Plywood boards then undergo the final cutting process. But do these plywood boards ensure superior quality? The plywood boards are then passed through a sanding machine to check if there are any steam pockets. Each and every plywood board is checked thoroughly.